Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in TK Maths is Fun. This is part 8 on integration. And in this video, we will see integration by parts. So when somebody says integration by part methods, what type of equation those are on which we apply integration by part method? So one example is here. You see two functions are multiplying, x squared sine x. Whenever functions are multiplying or dividing, we have two methods in our syllabus, A-level mathematics, either integration by parts or integration by substitution. We have seen in the video in part 7 that what type of functions we have when we apply integration by substitution. Here, one function will be taken as u and one function will be taken as v prime. What do we mean by this? We will see in the solved example after this. Right now, I'm just telling you the formula. So one of them will be u called and the other one will be called v prime. Now, this whole integration is equal to this. So u, we will substitute here, v will substitute here. But we don't have v here. How we will get v? The function which is v prime, we will integrate it to get v. And function which is u, we will differentiate it to get u prime and plug in here. The same formula is also written like this. Just telling you both ways so that if you see it somewhere, do not get confused. V prime simply mean dv over dx. And u prime simply mean du over dx. So let's see. So we are talking about this formula, right? And I took an example of the function here. So let's see here two examples. Now the question is, for example, in this case, the question is, which one x and ex? Okay, 3 so I can take out. I can write it like this if I want, x, ex. So one of my function will be called u, another function will be called v prime. How will I decide which one is u? Because that is very important. Otherwise, your integration keeps going on and it never finishes. When you will practice, you will understand. So how do we decide? The word late helps us to define that. L is for log. This sets the priority for selection of u. So if in this log function is existing, you will call it u. If log is not here, then algebra. Algebra means polynomial here. Yes, polynomial is here. So this is u. If that is also not there, then trigonometry has third preference. And then exponential has fourth preference. So right now, if I see here, I have exponential and I have polynomial, algebra. So algebra has priority over exponential. So my u will be x and my v prime will be ex. So I have given them name. I will take other examples later. So let me see how. Look at this, what is written here. So my u is x. When I will differentiate this with respect to x, I will get 1. Now my v prime is ex. To get v, I need to integrate it because integration is the reverse of differentiation. We have seen it in the previous video. So when I will integrate it, it will be e power x divided by 1. So same thing. Now I have u prime, v prime, and v. So I can substitute these values in the formula here. We will see in detailed questions, right? So here I have taken these 4 examples just to show you that in which type of integration you apply integration by parts. Now this is trigonometric with polynomial, exponential with log, trigonometry with polynomial. So you will apply this. Let's see this one also I have shown here for you. To decide what is my u and v, there is polynomial and log. Log has priority. So my u is ln x and my v prime is x cube. My v prime is x cube and my u is ln x. If I differentiate it, it will become 1 over x. And when I will integrate x cube, it will become x power 4 divided by 4. So I have u prime, v, all values, and I will plug in the formula. So now let's see 2, 3 or 4 examples completely. Okay, we will start from the beginning and go till end. On this page, I'm just explaining here how did we get this formula. It's not part of the syllabus, But if you want to see, you can read it. Put the video on pause here. So let's begin with this question. If you see here and keep the word late in your mind, then you have exponential and polynomial. Polynomial has priority. So my u is x, and I will differentiate it because in the formula I need differentiation of u. It will be 1. If I take v prime as e power 2x, then when I will integrate it, v will be e2x over 2. We have seen the integration of exponential function in the previous videos. So once you have decided your u prime, now this means u prime, and this is your actually v prime and v. So once you have these 4 values, you have to plug in the formula, right? The formula is what? uv prime is equals to uv minus vu prime, right? So I'm going to plug in the values here. You can see here uv prime. This is v prime. It is here, e power 2x divided by 2. And my u is x. It is here. Similarly, v, e power 2x over 2, which is plug in here. And what is your u prime? It is 1. So we don't need to write 1. So now you got this. And if you take minus half outside, you can easily integrate e power 2x. So you got the answer of this integration here. So this is how we solved it completely. And plus c is why? Because there is no limit. Let's see a few more examples. Again, keep the word late in your mind. So your u is x, v prime is ln x. Am I right? No. Log has priority, so your u is ln x this time. And your x is v prime. Okay? Mind it. So u is ln x. So du over dx is 1 over x. Because the differentiation of ln x is 1 over x. And your v prime, which is called dv over dx, is actually x. And you will integrate, it will be x squared over 2. So now you just have to plug in the formula, this formula. What is that? uv prime is equals to uv minus vu prime. So I will plug in the values on this side, all these 4 values. So u is ln x, here it is. V is half x squared, it is here, minus v u prime. This is your u prime, right? So after plugging in, if you take this half outside and cancel this x with this, you will be left with x squared over 2. Right? This half will go outside and you have inside x. When you will integrate x, it will be x squared over 2. So 2 to the 4. So this is how you are getting it. Now let's see one more example and after that one more. When it is only ln x, then what comes in your mind? What will you do? This is called a special case because it is handled a little differently. You write ln x dx as 1 dot ln x dx. Remember it, right? Now this is a constant. What it has along? It has along x power 0. So now keeping in mind the word late, this is your u, this is your v prime. You see, this is your v prime. So when you will integrate it, you will get x. So now you have 4 formulas and you will plug in this formula. uv minus v u prime. So you have this question which will come here and this you will plug in to get the answers. See here, uv minus v u prime. So we are just getting the values from here, plugging in the formula and simplifying it. As it is, x cancel with x, 1 dx, answer is x. So you got this answer also here. Now last question is, it's a solve example also, but this time I'm not explaining it to you. I will just show you the solution. You can put video on pause, try it yourself, and then check the solution. Again, here you will apply, just giving you a hint, u over v. Actually, it will be u v prime. Now, ln will be your u and your v will be 1 over x. Do not just take xy, because the two functions which are multiplying are this 1 over x multiplied by ln x. So this is your one function, this is your another function. And because of the word late, your ln function is your u. And this whole is your v, right? So I've given you a hint, you put the video on pause, try it, and I'm solving the solution, so afterwards you can check it. Right? So you can put it on pause and do your questions. Check your working. Now after that, I have given you here practice questions, 6 practice questions. Again, you can see two functions are multiplying. So you try these questions, and this one I have just solved, but with the limits, you would simply apply limits here. For example, if I look at this question I have solved before, right? With the limit 1 over 3 here. So for example, the limit was 1 to 3. So when you get to this, x ln x minus x, let me write here. So this one will become x ln x minus x. Remember, you will not write c now, because when you have limits, you don't write c. So upper limit minus lower limit. Ln 1 is 0, we know it. So it is ln 3 cubed minus 3, because it will go up and it will become power law, right? So we are applying power law to get this. Minus, this is 0, ln 1 is 0, minus plus 1. So it is ln 27 minus 2. This is your answer. Okay, so this is how you will apply limits. If question is not saying give your answer in exact form, you can use calculator and write your answer in 3 significant figure. So here are the questions you will try, and you can ask me for help, and here are the answer of those questions. So do practice them. Thank you very much. In my next video, I will pick up question from past paper, and this will be the last video on integration. Once again, thank you for watching. Do share the resource with your friends.